So here we have the PNI HP6500, which is so small that when I pick up the mic I think it's going to wander off the bench here. So it's the on-the-air test with Mr. Chippie, so let's see whether he's out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
That's excellent.
Alright, just come up to the end of the lane.
Okay, roger on that. So as I said on the service video, when you key up, the bar graph gives out 4 bars or whatever. It means absolutely nothing, it just means it's transmitting. We turned the power to half a watt, we turned the power to the maximum 3.6 watts, and it's still 4. So it's just a glorified TX light. Unfortunately, that's par for the course, and a lot of new sets seem to do that.
We're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
We're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads, over.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Now, just looking through the instruction book, if you press the AF button for a long press, the radio will go into scan. It assures me.
Now passing the top of the hill as we descend in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, very well over. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Just for everybody's information, power consumption is 150 milliamps on receive standby, 210 milliamps when it's talking, and about 1.4 amps on transmit, which considering it's doing 3.6 watts is pretty poor, I think, because certainly sets in the 80s would take 1.1 amp and deliver a good 4 watts. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Let's push the set back. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. And as regulars will know, that's the worst one we've got. So when he gets to the final one, which is at raw speed, he'll actually be sounding a bit better. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you. And I know you're going shopping. Right, we'll do a little one into our base station, just see what it sounds like. If there's any hum, it's nothing to do with the radio, it's to do with the electrical system. We're fed from a substation which is only feet from the building. It doesn't help at all. We're in the middle of nowhere. We have our own substation, so we've got 11,000 volts lurking outside the door. So what can I say in conclusion? Well, it receives very, very well indeed. It would of course benefit from an extension speaker because it's a tiny little speaker underneath. Transmit we got 3.6, but that's nothing to worry about because the way our test set is very selective. And it's got scan, it's got RF gain, it's got auto squelch, it's got manual squelch, it's got emergency button for whatever fun that is, and it's a bit of a faff to use, but all these small sets are because you've only got on-off volume and then everything else is up-down when it's being selected from the menu. And changing channels, if I go into, as in changing bands, if I press it once it'll now go into CPT mode, and if I go back it'll go to UK mode. If I wanted AM on CPT, I'd have to reprogram it for a different region, which is annoying. but we don't want to, and because what we do here is UK only FM channels. So with that, we'll go over to the base station.
Tango 21, testing the PNI Escort HP6500, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you for watching.